Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel.
I'm Joe.
I'm Lisa,
and we have exciting news this week.
We're doing a special collab with 4 other awesome content creators, and they're all from Jamaica. So it's a Come Dine With Me special.
Yeah.
What we plan to do, well, what we're actually doing is that we're having a meal with you, our subscribers, where we prepare the meal. We have 2 YouTubers who are going to be preparing this starters. We're doing the main, look out for that.
Yeah.
And also you have 2 choice for your pudding or dessert.
Yeah.
There will be 2 YouTubers who are doing dessert. So do come with us, enjoy the experience. Make sure that in the comments you big up everybody. Make sure as well that you check out everybody's channel. So there's Inga STV, there's Ya Girl Lala, there's Sweet Delish Aroma, and there is Toya's Kitchen. So make sure that you check them out, subscribe, show them some love, and watch every video because each one is epic. Don't forget to, next month we're going to be having another Come Dine With Us. In this series we'll have some other content creators who will be creating their special dishes that you can recreate at home and share with us. We'll drop everybody's Instagram links below so that you can share your own recreation of their recipes.
And feel free to tag us or tag them, any of us or all, if you want us to see what you have created.
So stay tuned.
See you around.
Exciting.
So exciting. So like I've said, guys, we're doing the main, and our part of the menu has tamarind and pineapple glazed chicken, fully loaded sweet potatoes, corn skewers, and a side salad.
Guys, we're going to start off with the chicken because we want to season it and leave it to marinate for at least half an hour. It's even better if it's done overnight, but half an hour will be good enough. Right, so I'm using chicken thigh pieces. I'm going to get them cleaned up, get some of the skin and fat off, and then I'm going to be cleaning them up, washing them with some lemon juice, and then I'm going to be seasoning it. All right, check back. Okay guys, I finished cleaning the chicken, so I'm going to add my seasoning now. I'm going to leave it to marinate. I'm going to put some olive oil in just because I'm going to be coating it, and I want the coating to stick to the chicken. So just about a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to go put some black pepper in. Guys, you season to your taste and your liking, okay? So don't say I'm putting too much or too little of this. I'm using some everyday seasoning, otherwise called all-purpose seasoning. You put as much or as little as you want. Also going to be adding some mixed herbs to it. I like the flavor of the mixed herbs, a little Italian going on there. And of course, I can't do without spicy. So the spicy in the name is going to come from some cayenne pepper. Yeah, the cayenne pepper also gives it that red color. Not much salt, but the salt I'm going to use also add some chili. So not adding too much because I don't want it salty. Alright, like I say guys, go in with the amount of spices that you like. Not only the amount, but the ones that you like as well. So any flavoring that you use to season your chicken, go ahead with that. So I'm going to use my bare hands now, and I'm massaging all those seasoning into the chicken. I'm then going to cover it with some cling film and leave it to marinate in the fridge. Oh sorry, I don't want it in the fridge because I want it to be at room temperature. So that's it. All the seasonings have gone into the chicken. I'm pleased with that. I'm going to put some cling film over it, and I'm going to leave it right here on the counter while I move on to the next dish.
Welcome back guys. So yes, so the chicken has been marinating for much more than half an hour. You'd like to know.
Smells amazing.
Smells really good. And now we're going to do the powder spice mix,
just to coat it, and we really want it coated.
So we're going to be using plain flour,
a mixture of seasonings,
and then a mixture of seasonings.
So whatever you want in it.
Yeah, powder seasonings.
Yes, dry, salt, pepper, mixed herbs,
a mixture here.
Cayenne, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Paprika even.
So this is plain flour.
Do about 2 cups.
Alright. And then I need some corn flour.
And that just helps the process along. Gives it a nicer texture.
And the glaze as well.
Helps with the glaze.
Okay.
And then
spice mix goes in.
Spice mix.
Yeah.
And then mix that in. And then we're on to coating the chicken.
And the oil is already heating up. Alright. This is where the hands get messy. Don't be afraid to take the pieces out.
Wash your hands. Make sure they're nice and clean.
Dip them in, make sure they're properly coated, not just coated. We don't just want it on the top, we want it, you know, pushed into
if there's any
meat.
groove in the chicken, make sure some of the
so.
spice blend in there as well.
I've dropped a little bit of the coating mix in there. It is sizzling. I'm going to dip a little piece of the chicken in just to make sure the oil is really hot. And guys, it has to be enough oil to cover the chicken. That's enough.
So whilst the chicken is frying now, I'm going to be starting on the pineapple. That's going to make the pineapple tamarind glaze. Woo! Mouth watering just to hear the sound of it.
Tamarind.
Yeah. Guys, now I'm going to finish preparing the tamarind. So I've peeled the skin. So take the outer brown part off and then pour hot water on, enough to cover the tamarind or to make as much juice as you'll want from the tamarind, and then just cover it and allow it to steep. So that's what we're doing, and this is going to form part of the glaze for the pineapple tamarind glaze for the chicken. So here's our pineapple that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a piece of it for the glaze, and this is the tamarind juice and pulp. So in here, tamarind juice and pulp, and we're going to combine the two together. Get the seeds, well, we're going to strain this off first so that we get the seeds out, and just a nice pulp ready to make the juice. Right, so here goes with the pineapple. And I'm not using canned pineapple, I'm using real. There, so this is about how much I want to use. I don't have to take the eyes out because everything is going to be blended. So I'm going to cut these now into big chunks to blend. So in this, I've got the tamarind pulp, which I'm just going to mix together and then strain. Yep. And scraping the pulp will ensure that you get as much flavor out of it as possible. That's that. And then I'm also going to be putting this now in a saucepan and then strain the pineapple. Thank you. Pineapple smells so good. And this now is the base for our pineapple, pineapple tamarind glaze. So we're going to season it, add some spices to give it a kick, including chili. So continue to watch as we make the glaze. And I'm going to check now as well if the chicken is ready to be turned. So that's what the chicken is like right now. And this is the glaze that we're going to start to cook down for the pineapple and tamarind glaze. So to it we're adding black pepper, chili powder, hot chili powder, a little ketchup, some ketchup, chicken about to be turned now, golden brown, golden so far, and I think we want to turn them one more time at least to ensure that they're cooked all the way through. And this, by the way guys, is chicken thighs, bone in chicken thighs. So we want it to cook through all the way through to the bone, then the glaze a bit. And then the glaze will be added then. So we're going to start this one. Come back and see what becomes of it. So these now are the potatoes that's going to be used to make our fully loaded potatoes. So nice large potatoes. I've washed them, scrubbed them with a brush because we're going to eat the skin. They're sweet potatoes and we're going to microwave them. We're going to start off on 8 minutes. You can use the oven as well if you prefer, but it's nice and quick and easy in the microwave. You need to pierce through the skin. So guys, we're back in now to check on the glaze. It hasn't started to form the glaze yet. It's just cooking down. What's the word? Reduced. Yeah, it's being reduced. And you can skim off whatever frothy from the pineapple. Yeah. But I'm going to and then check the taste as well and see what else it needs. I'm going to add some sugar, I know, but based on how tangy it is. Yeah, because remember pineapple and tamarind are tangy fruits. Yeah. So let's see what the taste is like. Nice and spicy. Spicy, but I think a little too tangy. Yeah. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. That should help it to reduce nicely. The color is lovely though. So once the chicken comes out, the chicken is going to be glazed, and then the rest of the glaze is going to be used as the sauce or gravy if you want more. So these are what I'm going to be using for the fully loaded potatoes. So it's going to have in grated cheese, it's going to also have cream cheese, and then there will be some crispy bits of chicken frankfurter with spicy chicken frankfurter at the top of it. So that's it. Once the potatoes are out, I'm going to take the fleshy bits out from the inside, from the middle, cream them together with the cream cheese and the cheese, load them back into the potatoes, and then we're going to put the crispy bits on the top. So that's the fully loaded potatoes, but you'll see the process. That's that. The potatoes out. In the end, it took 11 minutes for them to be done. So we're just going to wait for them to cool down a bit before we handle them. So they're piping hot now.
So what's the next step?
So the next step is to make the crispy fried topping, which is spicy chicken frankfurter. So here's a quick little check. So that's the pan for the spicy frankfurters, the crispy. And that's the sauce being reduced. And here the glaze, sorry. And here's the water that we're going to use to cook the corns. So corn previously chopped in smaller pieces so that they can be added nicely to a skewer. Yes, I think the chicken is done. So let's get them out. Yeah. So the chicken is done and we're now going to wait for the sauce to reduce. Right, so cool enough now to handle. So I'm just going to slice it lengthways. Hopefully in half so that nobody gets a small one and somebody else
small half.
Another. That's that. So the potatoes, the inside now have cheese, and then it's going to have cream cheese. So it has grated cheddar. Now it's going to have cream cheese. Thank you. And then blend it together. Okay, so my sauce is ready, my glaze. You can see the rings where it's coming from. So I'm going to pour some out for the table, and the rest of it I'm going to use to put my hot chicken pieces in to make sure they're covered with the glaze. Is that good? That does look good.
Right. So we come back. They're all done. Glazed up. And looking fantastic. So chicken has come on nicely. The loaded potatoes are done. And now it's time to do the veggie portion of the meal. So these are some of the ingredients that we're going to be using for the corn skewers. The corn, they're boiled, but they're cooling down right now. And then here are some lovely, fresh, nice, juicy lettuce leaves that will form a beautiful salad along with pomegranate. Guys, by the way, what do you call pomegranate? Especially Jamaican guys, what do you call it? Where is my pomegranate? Oh, here. So this is it. So I hear a funny sounding name for this thing, this fruit. I've never seen it growing, by the way, but my friend Delia says she used to eat it in Jamaica when she was little. What do you call it, guys? I know the proper name is pomegranate. Yeah. But Jamaicans have another name for it. Write it in the comments. What's the other name? So, guys, we're on the last stretch. And it's beginning to come together. I wonder if the others are on their way yet. Yeah. Who's always late? I'm not so sure. I can't think of any of them being late or always late. Yeah. But anyway, last bit to go. It's been fun doing this challenge, guys, and we'll try to keep this up because we enjoyed it so much. Yeah, it's been a whole lot of fun. What's the best way to do pomegranate? Yeah, I hear tap, 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 and then cut like the wedges. And then cut wedges. Yeah. So let's see if it works. If not, somebody will correct us for next time. Yeah. How's your day been, guys? Tell us in the comments. What's your day been like so far? So far, we've dedicated today to cooking for our guests. Hasn't done much more. Yeah. We've been slaving away, so I hope these guys appreciate it and enjoy the meal. I need to check email, but after this, I'll actually sit down and check email. Did we? Or you know what? When you try to do the pomegranate, what? And it splashes you and everything around you. Oh, but this looks good. That looks nice. Like it's a behaving, you know, some pomegranates don't behave themselves. Well, this one is behaving herself. I bet it's a girl. The boy ones don't behave. Tell us in the comments which pomegranate always, not pomegranate, pomegranate. Which ones always splash out at you? Male or female? Naughty boys. And guys, it's okay to mix fruit and veg in a salad, and that's exactly what we're doing. Fruit and veg all together in a nice leaf salad. Ending up in the same place. Yeah. So I think one peg is all I'll need because there's another salad. And then the others are doing salad as part of their dish as well. So we don't want to fill up everybody's belly too much. And then they don't have space for everything else. The starters sound wicked. Sounds amazing. Both of them, in fact. Yeah, soup is a nice starter. Yeah. Meat is a nice starter. As long as it's finger food. Yeah. Looking to take up. Them. Yeah. Can't wait, guys. Can't wait. So you're almost done? Almost done. So I'm going to grate the carrot now. It's washed and peeled already. Okay. Almost done. So almost done. Then we need to go doll ourselves up. Are you? Now. And prepare for the arrival of our guests. Did you remember to put the wine to chill? No, I forgot. Who drinks wine anyway? When there's crystal punch available. Okay, nice and carroty. So shall we let them see plating up or no?
No.
Bye.
As of
see
now,
you
we'll just see in the next clip just the finished dishes. See you later.
Few moments later.
They're here. Welcome guys. And look, they're all dressed Jamaican.
Oh, that's good.
Welcome to the house, guys.
Come on
in. Come.
Man, cheers.
That was good.
Oh my gosh. I mean, even though everybody played full at the start, they still eat it all. Everything was scraped off.
Everything clean.
Oh gosh, that was good.
Should we do it again?
Full.
Of course.
Yeah.
I'm up for it anytime.
Yeah.
I think we should continue with it and invite some other people.
Oh yeah, some other Jamaican.
So like at least once a month to do something like this.
Alright, middle of the month.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause this one a middle. Oh, it's
That
so
was
good.
good.
Anyway, my belly full. Honestly full.
But
The
you
two
know,
starters were good.
We're awesome.
Yeah.
But you know what I'm looking forward to, although my belly full, I'm looking forward to tasting the two puddings.
Oh, yeah.
I know we have a
We
choice,
have to make
but
space. We have to make space.
we rest little.
We have to rest before we go over there. Oh my word, guys, this was good.
Amazeball.
Oh, please make sure you check out the other recipes and the other food stuff cooked by our awesome Jamaican YouTubers. I
can tell you, more. The 2 courses gone already. Nice. Me no want a hour still, you know. But may I tell you guys, it was wicked.
Wicked is an understatement.
Yeah, and the starters were lovely, and I can't wait for the pudding, the two desserts.
Yeah.
Please make sure you check us out, check them out. Cheers. See you soon.
See you later.
Bye.